Hello everyone. I figured I'd show you guys this 8200 EQK Dynamic Series unit that I got Craigslist for free. Just took it apart. This is the backup unit to the unit in the wall over there. I got a family member that's in need of a unit, so I figured this would be a good opportunity to give this a going over. I don't know if we're doing a full-blown restoration, but at least clean the coils and get all the heavy rust out of it. Now, I think this one could actually even be rustier than the unit that's in the wall. You can see the fan shroud has been a special little modification there somebody did. It's got a GE motor, this one. And you got that there. And then there was a big bolt put over here. So it's pretty rusty. I'm hoping this condenser line isn't rotted through, because you can see it's leaning right up against there, and that's pretty nasty. So I'm gonna try to move the condenser out of the way and scrape, reposition these lines and paint everything and put a drain hole in it. And hopefully it survives. It's rusty. It's really rusty. Not much coil rot though. Coils look pretty good. Just everything around the coils is rotted. So it's got a Matsushita compressor in it. I'm not sure. I'd be interested to find out how you can date code these things. But obviously it's a it's a rotary, so I'm guessing late 70s, 78, 79, 80, somewhere around there. I don't see any dates on it. Here's the data tag. Pretty efficient though, 9.4 EER. That's pretty good for a vintage unit. This is a good run. This did run good. Hopefully it survives the cleanup. So anyways, just going to show you this and give you guys an update once we get it cleaned up. Also, I got to rebuild these window accordions. They're shot, and this room does need a window accordion. So this one's mostly one piece. I have the new material. This other one's in like 3 pieces here, so it's going to have to be all epoxied together. And also had this was somebody's repair. Cute. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.